Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today you all, I will be showing you how to do the magic ring, also called the magic circle. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to pick up your yarn and you're going to place it over your first 3 fingers just like that. All right, now you're going to wrap the yarn around your finger and bring it back up. All right, now we're going to just turn our fingers over and you're going to cross that yarn over just like that. Take your pinky finger and hold your yarn just like that. All right, so now you have your yarn crossed. You're going to take your crochet hook and you're going to go underneath that bottom piece of yarn and you're going to come out in between, okay? So you're just going to go underneath there and come out in between. And next you're going to pull your piece of yarn through just like that, okay? Now that you've got your yarn pulled through, you just want to twist it and bring it up just like that. You're going to twist it towards you. All right, now we're going to remove these 3 fingers out of that magic circle. All right, so we're going to hold our yarn right here so we won't lose it, okay? So you're just going to hold it right here. I like to call this the neck. So you're just going to hold it right here with your 2 fingers and remove your fingers out of that circle. And that is your magic circle, okay, that you've created. So in order to work with that, the next thing you want to do is position your hand for your working yarn just the way you would any other project. So I'm just going to go wrap it around just like that. And now my hand is positioned. Now I am going to take this hand and hold the neck of it, the neck of that magic circle. So now I'm holding it right here. All right, so then you just want to chain 1. Now that you have a chain 1, you have your magic ring. So the next thing you want to do is just take that tail out. So you want to remove that tail. And now you have your magic ring. And now you can work any stitch you want inside of that magic ring. And I'm just going to go ahead and work a single crochet inside of that magic ring. So I'm just going to go in there. And then I'm going to pull up a loop. And then I'm just going to finish that single crochet. And so then you can just go ahead and work whatever stitch your project calls for. You'll continue to work that throughout the magic ring, okay? So go ahead and practice that. I hope that helped. Please go down in the comments and let me know if that helped you to be able to make the magic ring. I hope that it did. Just practice it for a while and then you will get the hang of it. You all, my name is Vanita. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for hanging out with me once again. So please go in the comments and let me know if this tutorial helped you to be able to make the magic ring. And please click like on this video as well. Thank you all, and I will see you for the next video. Bye.